Today's discussion about allergic rhinitis and sinusitis. In my previous episode, I discussed about allergic manifestation, which helps you to know better about allergic rhinitis. Allergic rhinitis is also known as hay fever. It's actually a nasal problem caused due to bacterial or viral infection or allergy or sinus problem, which is known as sinusitis or nasal polypus. It may occur seasonal or year round, that is perennial. Symptoms of allergic rhinitis: redness of nose and eyes, loss of smell, running nose, sneezing, stuffy nose, that is blocked nose, eyes watering, cough, throat irritation, headache, and facial pain. Family history of allergy may increase your risk of allergic rhinitis. Some kind of external factors may trigger on allergic rhinitis, such as cold temperate weather, humidity, air pollution, cigarette smoking, hairspray, body perfume, smoke. Common one cause of rhinitis is sinus infection or sinusitis. Now, it's required to know what is sinusitis. When the air cavities, sinus, within the passage of nose inflamed, simply known as sinusitis. Another one is nasal polyps, which may cause rhinitis. Nasal polyp or polypus is a benign growth on the lining of nose or sinuses. In all cases, symptoms nearly about same. Here is a picture to illustrate you about the human nasal sinuses. Management: avoid dust and smoke, avoid cold foods, use handkerchief or mask to avoid dust, habit to bath in early morning, eat fresh juicy fruits, avoid nose pricking, which is a bad manner, maintain distance with cold and flu affected person. Diagnosis of the disease. This disease diagnosed by the above described symptoms: X-ray PNS, paranasal sinus, oxybutymento view, blood test for IgE, routine blood test. Treatment: homeopathic medicines serves you better to reduce the symptoms and keeps you more better. The medicines are arsenic iodatum 30, arsenic album 30, Sambucus nigra 30, Bryonia alba 30, Euphrasia 30, Dulcamara 30, Belladonna 30. As homeopathic treatment depends on signs and symptoms, so when you suffer from allergic rhinitis and or sinusitis, kindly visit your physician for proper medication. Don't consume any medicine without doctor consultation. Thanks everyone to watch this episode. If you have any queries, comment me or WhatsApp me. Thanks.